What's up, guys? We're here at Wands. We're getting fucking these bolts out from the rear diff. This one's almost out, so should come back when that shit's done. Alright, right now, right here taking off the axle right now. Getting the axle bolts off with the 8 hex 8mm. Yep. And got most of these rear diff bolts out.
Take off the rear diff bushings.
Yeah, right there.
Remove the arms.
And then we loosen the drive shaft bolts.
Drive shaft bolts, yes.
6 of them.
I thought we were taking more stuff out, but I forget.
The shield and then
and
then this
and the axles.
Yeah.
The axles and those. We broke these loose already, so these are ready to knock out already. So all we gotta do, take off the axles, and then just remove this bolt up here, and then 2 19s, and diff drops right on the floor.
Oh yeah, these 19s right here. Yep, there you go. I'm putting in work on that side.
This side's done. One more axle to go.
Oh, you already got the 2 on that side?
Yep, all done.
Alright, now this side. This side to go.
Damn, what the fuck happened there? Oh, hey, what was that? Good? Yeah. Just looking loose.
Alright, we got all the axle bolts out from both sides, and then the drive shaft bolts, which are those, and then now we're ready to slap it on and get the jack and put the diff on. You see it? It's the top, so it's scratch. Shit. Here we go, that welded diff. Right now I gotta take this diff off. All the bolts are off. Loosen these 19s. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Isn't it fucking go vroom? Watch.
Yeah, that's why you gotta do it slow. Damn.
They're fresh. One more over here. One more, hopefully. Probably. You got some stuff missing. Let's go.
Nah, you better get the fuck out of the way. Nah, it should be holding it though.
I think the jack holding it up, huh?
Yeah.
Ready?
It's recording. Yeah. Careful.
Move your head.
Or not.
Bruh. Okay, move your head.
Alright. Not the fucking axle.
Nice. Okay. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Here it is. Open diff. Okay.
Oh yeah.
So you spin the opposite way. Okay.
See. It's out. Plug and play now. Going in. I'm dirty, but shit. Let's go.
It's pretty hard, huh? I think we should get the frame once in there.
Which are we gonna do the rears or which one?
These are pretty.
Oh, the 19s.
Yes.
Well, how you gonna get the bolt with the wood? We'd have to rotate the wood.
I got space.
Okay.
I got.
Hey, what about the axles?
I don't know. We put this after. Or actually, the axle gotta go first. Actually.
Mine's in.
Is yours in?
Yeah.
Let me just put mine in.
Can you or no?
No, push yours. Wait, that way? Fuck. It's like flush? Fuck, it's not letting me put it in. Just pushing more that way?
Come help. Come help. Diff's already in. Come help.
Nah, I'll be like, we're stuck.
We're stuck. I stripped the bolt and my bushing broke. And so one's putting in the other side axle bolts. Already got the other side done. And still needed to tighten one bolt behind the diff and then rotate the fucking.
Nothing you gotta do, turn it on.
No, we need to turn the drive shaft bolts.
You can't get to this side.
That's why we need to rotate it.
We just need one.
Yeah, but we still need to. Well, yeah.
You put on drive, nigga. I got some fucking iron here, facts. Hey, one spins the opposite way.
Yeah.
Look at.
Done. Oh fuck.
I'm doing drive here.
No. We'll do it after. We know it spins. We did a test try because we had to get the last bolt on the drive shaft in. Where is it? Oh yeah. Oh, that's the exhaust. The drive shaft right here. So we're done.
Damn, she's popping. Look at pink dip.
Shut out one.
Dang, got my hands dirty. What did Andrew do?
Put it in park and neutral.
Yup. That's right. That's all you gotta do. Park and neutral.
Right here, let's show him.
Hey, look, you look at the zip. Pink.
Here, let's show him real quick.
The key on there?
No, here. Just real quick. So put it in drive. No, what are you doing? Don't press the gas. It'll let go of it.
Alright.
You have the e-brake on. Look how fast it goes. All right. All right. All right. Let's not.